If you're looking for a new dinner idea that doesn't take a lot of time, I'm here to help you. I'm going to show you how I make these enchiladas, and they're delicious, and I'm going to show you a couple of tricks that I use to make them fast. Okay, so to start off, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. This is ground beef that I canned up, and as well as some enchilada sauce that I've showed you how to can up. We're also going to be using tomato, sour cream, onion, radishes if you like it, and lettuce. So this is what I use as a time-saving trick. I can up my ground beef for nights that I just have no time to defrost. I'm also going to be using my canned enchilada sauce. I'll leave the little info icon so that you can have the videos for those on the recipe and how I can it. So first I'm going to start by browning the ground beef and just frying it up. So when I first started home canning, I used to be nervous because I would hear, scary things about botulism and stuff like that, but the botulism toxin can be boiled out. So according to the World Health Organization, at 185 degrees for 5 minutes will kill the toxins that will make you sick. Not the spores, but the spores don't make you sick. It's the toxins that are produced by the spores that make you sick, and those will boil out. So 185 degrees for 5 minutes. Water boils at 212 degrees, so just bring it up to a boil or a simmer for 5 minutes and you're good to go. Here I've got my enchilada sauce simmering and splattering all over the place, but same thing, just go ahead and heat it up and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and once that's done, we'll go ahead and start chopping up our veggies. Perfect. Now that that's all done, what I'm going to do next is heat up the oil, and I'm going to lightly fry both sides of the tortilla, and I'm going to plate it up. Now, if you're making for a large family, my kids are small, they don't eat too much, you can put this in a casserole dish and roll it, but I find for me it's just easier to make it on the plate. Plate it up as I go. So here I'm just filling it with the ground beef, and I've used mashed potato before. I just mash it up and put it in there. Whatever you want to fill these with, I'm just doing ground beef. And a great meatless option that I've done is with the mashed potatoes, I just put mashed potato and cheese, and that also tastes really good too. So just switch it up, put whatever you like in there, it'll come out good. It always comes out great. Because the secret is in the sauce. So if you don't have the recipe, be sure to go check it out. It'll make anything taste good. This is also a great way to use up any leftovers if you have hamburger or chicken or whatever in the fridge. Make some enchiladas. So after that's all plated up, go ahead and spoon the enchilada sauce right onto it. I could have used a bigger spoon. And then I add the sour cream. For me, I like it a little bit thinner, so I just mix it with a little bit of water, or you could use milk if you want to, but I just find water works just the same, works perfectly fine. And then the salad on the side, putting tomato, radish, whatever you like, plate it up and make it look nice. And that's just about it. Seriously, this dinner took probably less than 10 minutes to make. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment if you want to see more fast dinners for busy moms. Thank you so much for watching.